My name is Karina Shaw. I'm an assistant head teacher at Penglais School Aberystwyth, a local comprehensive, and I'm also a director on Penparcey Community Forum. Well, I've been in Aberystwyth for 43 years. With community work, I've always been involved in my community. When initially the area I lived in was a community's first area, I was involved in projects. Now under the Forum umbrella, I'm involved with projects linked to the environment, history of the area, heritage of the area, any project that allows our community to get together and breaks down barriers, I want to be involved with. I think Aberystwyth University brings several advantages to the town. It brings in new graduates who've got lots of skills, who can make our area a nicer place to live. Receiving an honorary bachelor degree today has made me extremely proud. It's made me really proud of my roots, proud of what my community is doing, and it also makes me proud of my colleagues who invest a lot of time with students. They inspire them, they motivate them, and to be recognised for doing something you love is just fantastic.